Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme song in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you want to refresh your Mobile Legends experience, changing the theme song is a great way to personalize the game's vibe. First of all, launch open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to fully load. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to select sound. Under sound, go to theme song option and tap on customize right next to it. On the next page, go ahead and select a new song you want to choose and tap on the plus button right next to it. You can also remove the chosen song by tapping on the minus icon at the top. You can also go ahead and play the song first by tapping the play button, and then after you are happy with the song, you can tap on plus, and this will keep adding the current playing tab for the theme song. Now whichever song is placed in the current playing tab, this will be playing in row. If you want to play the music randomly, you can also tap on random button at the top right corner. So that is how you can easily change your theme song in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.